everybody? Welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Did not do too much today. Did a whole bunch of safety meetings. Stephen went over some plans with us for the future of the remodel of the bed barn. And then today, me and my apprentice were doing some fire alarm for a new fire alarm circuit down the hallway. So basically just worked on this all day. Had the fire alarm on the ground with some cones, put the wire through the little tile hole, and then using the containment cart went ahead and just did that to contain all the dust and all the stuff that falls out of the ceiling. So that's what we worked on today. Pretty basic, pretty simple, but that's basically it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Don't forget about the giveaway, which ends tomorrow. Make sure you're entered into that. Anyways, thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. God bless and have an awesome rest of your day. As always, peace.